So guys, today we are making Italian cake. They call it ciambellone, ciambella. So we have 5 eggs and sugar and milk and girasole oil, and I'm going to be using a bit of yogurt. I have my vanilla and my baking powder. So let's start. Give us 26. We are using 150. 89. This is 89, so I will add more to it to make it 100 grams of sugar. So let's start. So this is the consistency we need. You blend it out until everything is smooth. You whisk it very well. Fine, so we are okay by now. Now we're going to be adding milk. Pour in a glass of milk. So the next thing we do now, we're going to be adding our all-purpose flour. Guys, I'm using 300 grams of all-purpose flour. This is my flour, so let's go blend. So my flour, all-purpose flour will go in now. So guys, do you see the consistency? Perfect. So perfect. At this point, I want to take just 2 spoons of yogurt, Greek yogurt, and add to it. At this point, I'm going to add my vanilla powder. I'm using this vanilla jelly. So guys, this is it. So this is my baking powder. Baking powder. So at this point, I'm going to mix everything this is okay. So add your oil to grease the pan. You grease the pan very well so that when you are bringing it out, it will be easy for you to bring it out. After which, what you do next, you add your little all-purpose flour to it. You grease it very well, so that it will be very easy for you when you are bringing it out. See it? All right. Next thing you do now, you add your all-purpose flour. You see that? So this is what I want. So this is my flour. So guys, you set your oven in 180 degree, 40 minutes, and let's go. So we're gonna bring it out. Let's see how it looks like. Oh. Guys, this is it. Oh, the cake has the way the cake came out, very looking yummy, fluffy.